Today, we have a 2019 Peugeot 508 with a problem that is causing multiple warning messages and warning lights to appear on the dashboard. The messages include things like monitoring radar fault, distance control function deactivated, tire underinflation detection system fault, parking brake fault, have the vehicle repaired. There are also several warning lights appearing on the dashboard, including the traction control and stability control warnings. So in this case, we are going to diagnose the problem using the ThinkCar 689BT diagnostic scanner. First, we connect the diagnostic scanner to the vehicle and perform a full scan. After the scan, we can see that there are 9 fault codes stored in the vehicle. One of the faults that immediately catches my attention is front right wheel speed sensor C0034. This gives us a good direction for further diagnosis. My suspicion is that this could be the main problem and that some of the other faults are being triggered as a result of this issue. Before removing the wheel, I want to do one more check using the live data function of the diagnostic scanner. I go into the ABS system and select the live data for all 4 wheel speed sensors: front left wheel speed, front right wheel speed, left rear wheel speed, and right rear wheel speed. This allows us to see whether each wheel speed sensor is actually providing a signal to the ABS system. And as we can see, the front right wheel speed sensor is not showing any data. The other 3 sensors are working correctly, but the front right sensor is not providing a reading. So now we have another confirmation that the problem is most likely located at the front right wheel speed sensor or its wiring. The next step is to remove the wheel and inspect everything visually. We need to check the wiring, the sensor itself, and especially the electrical connector. Once we have a closer look at the connector, we can see the actual problem. The electrical connector at the ABS wheel speed sensor has not been fully connected. It appears that the connector was not properly pushed into place during a previous repair, and over time it has partially come apart. We push the electrical connector fully back into place and make sure that the locking mechanism is properly engaged. There is a small plastic locking clip that prevents the connector from coming loose, so we make sure this is also correctly secured. Before putting everything back together, let's connect the diagnostic scanner again and check the live data from the wheel speed sensors. And now we can see that all 4 wheel speed sensors are providing the correct readings. This is a very good sign and confirms that the connection has been restored. Now we can perform another full scan of the vehicle. After the new scan, we can see that the ABS-related faults that we had before are no longer present. Only 2 other fault codes remain, and these are not directly related to the problem we were diagnosing today. So we can clear the faults that can be cleared and then check the dashboard again. And as we can see, everything has returned to normal. Let's switch the ignition on and start the engine. Now, we only have the warning lights that should normally be displayed at this stage, and all of the additional warnings that we had at the beginning of the video have disappeared. So the problem has been successfully fixed. In this particular case, the problem was simply a poorly connected ABS wheel speed sensor connector. However, if you have similar symptoms on your vehicle, the problem could also be caused by a faulty wheel speed sensor, damaged wiring, or a poor electrical connection. So it is always worth checking the wiring and the connector first before replacing the sensor. If the wiring and connection are okay, but the sensor is still not providing a signal, then the wheel speed sensor itself may need to be replaced. Finally, we put the wheel back on, tighten everything correctly, and perform one last check. Everything is working correctly, there are no warning messages on the dashboard, and the vehicle is back to normal. The customer is happy, and the job is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.